Sa University of Makati kami guys. Yan, ayun lang. Yung galing kanina guys. Building administration. Lahat ng student guys, dito muna sila. Ayan. Dito sila. Tapos ngayon, lahat ng mga guardians and parents punta dito. Ito sa kabilang side. Okay. Ganda dito sa University of Makati. Sasakay tayo guys ng elevator. Sama. Ito nga pala yung CR dito sa Yuma. Ganda, linis guys. Yung laki. Tayo dito guys. Ang ganda ng ano dito. Ito, may ticket number po ba ito? Okay. May ticket number pala dito guys. Doon tayo daw sa kabila. Okay. Bukod dito sa baba, ay meron nga palang balcony na mauupuan ang mga parents and guardians ng taas.
Agency of faculty members. Maria Corazon Benosa. Let us welcome the Management Committee of the University.
Sa lahat mundo, sa simula, sa langit kong tugaw, na ilanap mo na tawid sa pagkaminamahal. Sa iyong amin, ang matay ng dahil sa'yo.
As the former dean of the higher school ng Yuma, after a careful review of the requirements submitted to my office, I certify that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements as recommended by their respective heads and coordinators, and as prescribed by the Department of Education.
Mr. President, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation from the academic track. 396 from Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics General Strand. 57 from Data Analytics STEM Strand. 81 from Healthcare Program STEM Strand. They have fully satisfied all the requirements for graduation, and we respectfully await your confirmation.
I have the honor to attest the candidates for graduation of the higher school ng Yuma for this academic year 2023 and 2024. 534 from the academic track under the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand. They have successfully fulfilled the requirements as recommended and prescribed by the Department of Education, and we respectfully await your confirmation.
You may now all transfer your academic sash to your left shoulder. Congratulations, graduates.
Once again, congratulations, dear graduates.
420 awardees with honors. 80 awardees with high honors. Congratulations, awardees.
Character. As graduates of HSU, may you always embody the values that your alma mater imbued in you. Continuously pursue excellence in everything you do. Be teachable but also learn to lead. You're now at a place where you can make your mark in the world. I hope you use this opportunity to make our community a better place for everyone. Rest assured, the City Government of Makati is committed to supporting and empowering each and every one of you, our proud Makatizens.
Once again, thank you so much.
Carlitos Lennon John, Gumong As Gian with honors.
Kenneth Paulo Benedict Leorens with honors.
I'm so proud of you, my son. Congrats.
Ikan Tanya Amchay with honors.
Ang aming pong paghanga at walang humpay na panalangin na talaga namang ipinag-iibayo ang lungsod ng Makati kahit kanino pa man. Nandito kayo in between youth and adulthood, so choose to do adulting. Yung buhay, it will not get more laid back. It will just get more intense. The pressure will just build up. And parang sink or swim. So, being produkto ng UMAC, I think you would choose to swim and swim the distance. So sa inyo lahat, ako si Luis Campos, ako ang kinatawan ng Distrito 2 ng Makati. Kawayak ni Mayora Abby umabati at nagbibigay pugay. Congratulations muli, mabuhay kayo, mabuhay ang UMAC, at mabuhay po ang Makati.
Always remember, don't let the world program your path, let your path program your world. Thank you.
Right hand and repeat after me. I. Please state your name. Graduate of academic year 2023-2024.
Graduate of academic year 2023-2024.
Do solemnly pledge to the University of Makati.
Do solemnly pledge to the University of Makati.
This Constitution and bylaws.
Defend and uphold its Constitution and bylaws.
And obey its rules and regulations.
And obey its rules and regulations.
That I impose these obligations upon myself voluntarily.
That I impose these obligations upon myself.
Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling himig at kanya-kanyang angat sa buhay. Minsan tayo ay naging tunay
opposite UMAKI. This is the first time na nakisita natin ang University of Makati, kung gaano kaganda at kalinis. Ultimo yung mga bawat area niya napakaganda. Saka makikita mo talaga yung very disciplined yung mga student dito.